Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Stacy here, guys. How you all doing? If today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. Welcome
to Stacy's Bank. Welcome to Stacy's Bank. Tell them boy.
So lately I've been doing more of unboxing and reviewing. Okay, that's good. At least to kind of make it up for the time of not showing my makeup tutorials. Okay, so guys, don't worry, I'll be fully back to my makeup tutorial pretty soon. Okay guys, so I have my, let me show you guys, I have my birthday gift right here. Can you guys see this? Okay, from Zalando. So this is my birthday gift right here. So I said let me share it with you guys as usual. So let's unbox it and see what's in here. Okay guys, so we are going to be unboxing this together. This box actually came from my friend. Okay, so this is my birthday gift. She said she bought something for me, so the box came and I said let me share it with my fam here on YouTube. You know how it is, guys. You know how it is. You know how it is. Let's unbox and see what we have right here. Wow, this is super gorgeous. I love it. Okay, what do you guys think about this bag? So I think it has like a rope. Okay, like you can just put this, and in case you don't want to carry it like this, then you can just clip. Take a look guys, the bag is so cute. So I'm just going to take this out. Let's see how. Yeah, wow. So guys, this is how it looks. So I'm going to clip this right here. Guys, tell me this bag isn't gorgeous. Okay, I don't want to hear anything, period. Okay, so that's that. Let's move over to the next on our list. What do we have? What do we have here? Guys, we have another bag. You guys, take a look. Wow, like I'm blessed, guys. I have the coolest friend. If your friend is not getting you gorgeous bags like mine on your birthday, is that one friend? In fact, you don't have friend. Take a look, guys. Take a look at this purse, guys. This bag is super cute. Take a look. Like, I love the bag. My friend, she knows that I'm not really a fan of those mommy's bag. Okay, actually guys, she's the only one that got me gift for my birthday. You can see. So this is super gorgeous, guys. I'm just going to take this out as well. Yeah, don't blame me, guys. I don't really have patience for this kind of stuff. Don't know. I think I need to learn how to have patience when I'm unboxing. Okay. Guys, you see why I don't have patience. Okay. So guys, Take a look at this bag. Isn't this gorgeous? Take a look. So let's open it, guys. Wow, this is beautiful. Guys, this is beautiful. Honestly, I love it. Okay, thank you so much, sweetheart. God bless you for all the beautiful gifts you bought for me. They are all amazing. Okay, take a look. All right, guys, let's move over to the last on the list. So guys, this is the last we have. Guys, like, how am I going to say thank you for all these amazing bags she got for me? Oh, wow, guys, take a look. Take a look at this. Take a look, guys. Wow, take a look. This is beautiful, guys. This is super gorgeous. Like, I love it. What do you guys think? This purse is beautiful. Guys, the purse is from Even and Hard. Okay, it was from this store. If you guys remember, that was where I bought that wristwatch. The wristwatch I unboxed the last time, I think. Yeah, so this is beautiful, guys. What do you guys think about this? I love it. Wow. Wow, guys, I won't lie, guys, they are all beautiful. Just take a look. Take a look, guys. Wow, amazing birthday gift, I must say. Thank you, sweetheart. Like, I really appreciate all these gifts. Okay, they are all beautiful. Oh, I don't know what to say. They are lovely, guys. So just let me know which is your favorite from the bags. Okay, guys, you can see how I'm rocking my hair bonnet. I don't know, I'm kind of tired of my cornrows, so I'm planning to take it out this week. So I said, let me just rock it with my hair bonnet. I got this bonnet very long time ago. I don't even use it. So today I said, why not? Let me just rock it and use it to unbox my package. Okay, so how are you all doing, guys? Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are doing, as you can see, I'm doing perfect. Okay, all right, guys, thank you. If you watched this extent, guys, if you watched my video, if you watched my unboxing to the end, see, you are lovely. In fact, may I have birthday gift for you? Just let me know when it's your birthday and I will surprise you just the way my friend surprised me. Okay, so that's all, guys. Don't forget to book us for your occasion. Don't forget to hit us up on Instagram, okay? And tell us when your amazing wedding is coming up, your birthday photo shoot, whatever you want to do. You just want to look good on your day, just hit me up on Instagram, send me a DM, okay? And I will be very glad to give you that look you so desire on that your amazing day, okay? On your big day. So that's all, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your like. Thank you for your share. Please don't forget to subscribe and be part of this amazing family. All right, so guys, I will see you all in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.